Hey neighbor, in this video I'm going to use this Greenworks Dethatcher to break up the soil and provide me with some nice grooves to put down my grass seed. I'm also going to use this burlap fabric as a seed cover. Stay tuned. Now, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because of how much clay-like substance my soil is made of where I live. It can be very hard for the grass to get down there unless it's broken up. So now I'm just going to throw on seed. I'm just going to cover this with some leftover garden soil that I have laying around in the garage. There you have it. Good seed to soil contact. Now again, to cover the seed, I'm going to use this burlap. Now, burlap is a natural product made from the jute plant that is biodegradable. It's also excellent at retaining moisture, protecting your seed, and keeping your seed in place. So in the past, you might have seen me use peat moss to cover my grass seed when I'm planting new seeds. And this is fine if that's what you like to do, but I'm learning that's not my favorite way of doing things. I found that the peat moss blows around, it doesn't cover the seed as much as I like it to, so I'm going back to this old method that I used to use in years past. Now lastly, what I do is I use some tent stakes from a tent we have to secure the burlap in place, and then when the seedlings start to sprout, I take the burlap off. You can leave it on and let it biodegrade, but if you do that, you have to wait till the seed is completely grown and the burlap is degraded. Otherwise, it's going to rip off from the ground. Thanks for watching.